you go.
All right. So now we're going to assign what's called regions to do area calculations. And we're going to simply do this. I think we last left off on layer object or centerline, but you want to get yourself to we can create a new layer and let's call it area. Let's go ahead and make a new layer. Let's go new. We'll just call it area. And let's just for heck of it, let's make it a different color. Let's make it red. Okay. So let's set that layer called area. And let's turn off everything else in the drawing except for the word object. So now you've got a pretty clean slate and you did a good job of drawing this. And we're going to do something called regions because you have the ability to add them together or subtract objects from them. Let's start. There's a command called boundary. So you just type in BO, select boundary, and you're just simply going to pick. There's two choices here. You can create individual polylines or regions. We're going to select regions. They actually don't look too much different from each other. In fact, they don't look different at all. I'm just going to pick here, 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 here. And that gives us 4 individual separate areas. So I got an area for this one, which we can see over here in the properties dialog box. Again, a separate area over here. We can also issue that boundary command for the road itself. We can go and leave the median alone. And here's the good part about regions. You can add them together. So I'm simply going to issue a union command, union. I'm going to touch this guy in the middle one.
Zoom in on those a little bit. Okay.
And so if it kind of went to the back, I'm going to just bring it to the front here. And you can see now that added those 2 roadways up together, and you're getting an area of 1,987.3. And if you wanted to do the same thing for if you wanted to know the total interior for these 4 items or inside of those clover leaves, then you would go union again. Would select all 4 of those. Let's draw order, bring to the front. And now I got a total area here. And that is considered actually square feet. Not.
That's what we want anyway.
Yeah. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And you don't have to leave that layer on. You can turn everything else back on.
You missed.
And turn.
Depth points doesn't matter.
Right. First set to some other layer before trying to turn off the layer area.
You know what? I don't think I recorded.
Oh, crap.
Yeah, it didn't.
Crap.
Why did it do that? It did that to me once earlier this.
Alright, well, that was pretty fast anyhow. Let's go again. Let's go back to where we don't have that anymore.
Why don't you just delete the layer?
Okay. We're back.
All right. Hit that little thing again. It's very annoying. Oh, hit stop. Hit the stop